This is a MacBook charger from Apple. And this is Power Up by Homey. Fast, lightweight, and compact. More than just a MacBook charger, Power Up has one USB-C data connector and 3 additional USB-A slots that let you sync and charge more devices. Say goodbye to the mountain of chargers. Power Up allows you to charge your MacBook just like the Apple charger, but you can also connect your other devices, like your iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. And what's more, without connecting to MacBook, Power Up is a standalone charging station that provides 2 times faster charging speed. Get more charge on more devices in less time. As a hub, Power Up provides a lightning-fast 5 GB per second data transfer speed that syncs your documents, photos, and music faster than ever. And you won't be limited by the new MacBook USB-C ports. Unlike other devices, Power Up is durable and safe to use, with specially designed copper cooling fins to prevent overheating during use. No more carrying around tons of dongles and chargers, or even losing them. Travel light and be more organized. Isn't it time you went from this to this? Keep it simple with Power Up.
Imagine how we interact with the world. But today, we just mostly poke at the screen. Fingers and hands are incredible. Why are we so limited? Introducing Vela, an innovative device that instantly turns any surface into a smart interface. The world at your fingertips. Once connected, you will be able to control different hardware devices or software applications by using simple gestures. Vela will make your life more convenient. Use it to control music, light, temperature, or any other application you have in your mind. You are only limited by your imagination, and you only need one Vela device to control multiple devices or applications. You can use our presets like letters or add your own gestures according to your preference. Simply assign gestures for different scenarios and switch between them just by moving your hands.
Our human hand is fantastic. They can not only feel, but also manipulate things in a versatile way. The current smartphone technologies are just putting everything into a small tiny screen, which highly limits and constrains the interactive areas of our hands.
Vela works on any surface, so you can clip it anywhere you like, or even design your own control pad. Unlike other devices, Vela gives you tracking and multiple text-to-action features, so you are not limited to just one action, but have different patterns to assign for different actions. It is super easy to use and really works for everyone. If you are a developer, you can try new ideas and figure out different customized applications with our well-designed API. To track the human gestures, Vela uses a special sonar technology that is nowadays widely used in military, cars, and drones. It transmits signal pulses, collects the reflective energy from your finger, and then translates it into the performed action.
Our team has been focused on sensing techniques for a couple of years. We are passionate about making tools which adjust human needs by amplifying human capabilities. Turning any surface around you into a remote control enables many potential possibilities in our daily lives.
We have been seeing lots of products in the market, but we have not found any of them capable to track and to recognize with high portability. With Vela, it tracks your finger with the finest precision and transforms it into customized action. Vela brings magic to your daily life.
Have you ever been bothered by a fly?
Or had one land on your sandwich?
We have, and having to throw food at ourselves is what inspired us to create something everyone can use to capture the flies in and around their home.
You might not realize, but flies carry fecal matter from your pet's waste or your neighbor's pet waste into your home and deposit it on food prep surfaces and food where they excrete digestive enzymes and then slurp it up. Yuck.
The garbage can fly trap works because flies are naturally attracted to your garbage. It doesn't require chemical attractants, unsightly fly paper, or chasing a fly around with a swatter.
The trap also includes a disposable cartridge and a quick release button that allows for hands-free disposal directly into your garbage can. And it also works for those annoying little fruit flies. So, interested? Let Dennis show you how it works.
The garbage can fly trap is a device that is installed in the lid of a garbage can. Flies, being attracted to the scent of your garbage, seek the easiest route to gain access. We have designed the garbage can fly trap to let flies think they have found it.
Oh no!
They enter through the center of the trap on the exterior of the garbage can under the quick release button and follow their nose to the disposable cartridge below, located on the interior of the garbage can. The disposable cartridge is lined with fly paper, which prevents their escape.
To replace the disposable cartridge, simply press the quick release button, allowing the cartridge to fall into your garbage, and snap on a new cartridge, and you are ready to capture more flies. After 7 prototypes and receiving valuable feedback from product testing, we are finally ready to introduce this innovative device to the market.
As a team with more than 40 years of professional experience between us, we'll draw on our engineering design, manufacturing, marketing, and sales skills to deliver a superior product. I received my MBA from San Diego State University, and Dennis received his engineering degree from University of California, San Diego. We would love to make the garbage can fly trap available to everyone that has ever been bothered by a fly, but especially to you.
And this is where you come in. We need your pledge to meet our manufacturer's minimum initial order. With this money raised, we can start production and ship the garbage can fly trap literally worldwide. Make a pledge and let us send the garbage can fly trap to you as we all unite to say no more to the dreaded fly on our sandwiches, our kitchens, and anywhere else it matters.
Please pledge, please share, and from our team to you, thank you. Click it now.
That's good, man. That's good.
The Smart Ring by Moda. The natural, low-key, and convenient way to stay on top of what is important in your life. Who is trying to reach you, and what you need to do next. Include the people you want, exclude the calls and texts you don't. You probably got a lot going on. The Moda Smart Ring helps you to stay on top of it all. It uses state-of-the-art communications to relay information from your phone. Extremely capable and easy to use. The ring's silence mode keeps you in touch with people that matter the most. Forget about constantly checking your phone. Stay in sync with what matters using what's right in front of you. The Smart Ring is a very natural way to see who's trying to reach you.
At Moda, we're all about creating interesting, creative, and useful products. With years of experience in the consumer electronics industry, our engineering team is ready to tackle this project head-on.
Now we're ready to start manufacturing, and we can get the S-Ring to you in just a few months at an unbeatable price. We think this product is really cool. We think this product is going to enhance your life. If you think about it, you're already looking at your hands most of the day, whether it's driving, typing, or writing. Being able to know exactly what's going on with your smartphone at all times without being rude if you're in a conversation or just being really low-key if you're in some kind of a meeting, we think is really important. We very much appreciate your support. And I can tell you that once this project is done, we're not. We're going to continue enhancing this product. We're going to integrate it with your favorite apps like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can do everything from your fingertips, literally. We hope that you find this device as cool and as useful, as interesting as we do. We've been extremely appreciative of the Kickstarter community, and we thank you very, very much for your support.